Hey YouTube, welcome back to Dragon King 2.0 here, and today we are playing some Pixel Car Racer. Okay guys, so I haven't played this in about a month or so, and I updated the game, so I don't know what new things are there, and I don't think I have a lot of money, so I'm gonna sell some of my cars. Welcome back, Dragon King, thank you. Okay, yeah, so look at 30 grand, it's not a lot. Let's go to my garage. I'm gonna keep that one, I'm gonna sell that one. I'm gonna sell that one, sell that one, sell that one. I'm only gonna keep the Nissan. So let's go to dealership. Sell. No, keep that one. Sell. 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 So we only got two cars, and we are gonna buy an alright car that we will customize today. Let's see the new cars, cause I heard there was some new cars. Oh, what is this one? Oh, it's coming soon. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Not many cars I'd like to customize. Oh, I had that car. Down to new. Oh, Corvette. Ooh, Mustang. We're gonna buy that one, yeah. Uh-oh. So I don't know if I spelled it right, but oh well. Let's go back to garage and let's customize this bad boy. Alright, so should we equip it or unequip? Which one would look nice? Carbon blue. Alright, so none of those. Ooh, one of these. Let's see. First of all, let's keep it gray and chill. Alright, let's see. Tinted tail lights, tinted tail lights, headlights, bam. Alright, so let's see. Oh, yeah, let's get them black. Equipped. Put some rims on them later. Let's equip those. Alright, equip. Looks cool. Alright. I like the normal one, but I also like this one. We're gonna go with the normal one, and we're gonna go to store and see what we could get. Oh, let's go here. Let's equip that one. Ooh. Let's see, drag. No, that one's better. Oh yeah, it looks like a monster. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see what color. Can we make it that color? Let's see, red, blue. We're gonna go to store and buy a color, because I don't like any of the colors I have right now. We're gonna go to upgrade. 500 horsepower. Alright, let's get the rims. So, for the color, I want to install those, but I'll get new ones. Let's see what color would look good. I guess we could install those for now. And then I'm going to drop the suspension. So let's get one of those. 500 horsepower still. Ooh. Yep. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, 1,000. 136 horsepower, guys. Wow, that's a lot of horsepower. Let's see tires. Why not? Thick. Let's drop it 4. Bam. That's a lot. Do you think it's going to be scraping the ground? That makes it go slower. So let's equip that one. Let's equip that one. Let's equipped. So after, we're going to do a few races. And we're going to see. I guess why not? Alright, so we made it 577 S-type. Alright, we're gonna run it. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, let's go. Nitrous. 1,562. Yeah. So not that fast. Well, not the horsepower I wanted. But let's see the spoilers. Oh, they added new spoilers. A rally wing, street wing. Oh, that one looks nice. There's so many beautiful wings. We're gonna buy that one and this one when we got the money. Let's see if there's any new ones. No, normal as usual. Any new body kits? Ooh, there's a fortune kit and there's a pandem kit. Alright. So, oh, let's paint color. Yeah. That car would look best in a type of midnight red, orange, red, orange, blue, matte red. We could do matte red, green, violet, gold, royal. Yeah, we're gonna do matte red. Why not? Purchased. We already got that. If we're doing a matte red, let's see what rims. Oh, inventory. Let's see. What's the most expensive rim we have? Oh God. Oh. Let's sell that. Yeah. That's a lot of money. What's the most expensive one we have here? That's a whole mess of money. There's no red. Yeah, here they are. Purchased. Let's get. Let's get this one. Why not? Alright, so let's add the new pieces on. Did we get any new rims? I don't think so. Alright. Let's just go. I know we got. I forgot what I got, guys. Oh. What? We can't install it. No. Alright, guys. So I guess I'm just gonna have to sell it. So we're gonna sell her. Sell it. Inventory. Sell this one. Yeah, I lost some money. Disappointment. Alright, let's try to race it. Let's see how fast this goes. Oh wait, I could afford the spoilers. Let's go to